Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. Tech Fox. In this video, I'm going to guide you how you can convert PDF to Microsoft Word. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open the Microsoft Word application on your PC. So here I'm going to open it. And then click on this open button. And now choose browse. Now select the file that you want to convert. So I'm choosing this elon3 and clicking on this open button. Now select OK to import that. So here is the PDF file that we have gotten in Word format. Now we can edit it or customize it. And after editing or customizing, normally click on this file button. And from here choose save, choose enable saving, again OK. And normally you can give it a name, Elon Word. And here you can see that the file is being saved in Word document format. So if I click on this save button, that's it. It has been saved. So normally I'm going to find it out. I'm going to the download folder again. Here is the Word file. So thanks for watching. Now you know how to convert PDF to Microsoft Word. Allah Hafiz.